Hey guys, this is Just One Guy, and I'm back here with another Unity tutorial. And today I wanted to do something pretty simple. It was simple for me, but I had to look it up and go through some stuff to find it, so I just put a video out on how to do it. And essentially, it's how to change the color of your text in game if you wanted to highlight something or make it a different color. And it's just a simple bit of code, but if you don't know, you have to look it up and then find out how to do it. And this is the code right here. Just when you create a string, before the string you put color equals whatever color you want to make it, and then you put this bracket right here, and then at the end of the string you put the color thing right here to end it, and it'll change the color of whatever text is inside of this into whatever color you want. Now in this example right here, I just changed these names to blue, and I just changed the text right here to red. Now I'm going to go in game and show you exactly what that does. And now we're here in Unity, and I'm just going to hit the play button. Load up the game, go to the character menu, and you can see now the text that I wanted to highlight blue is blue, and the text that I wanted to highlight red is red. And it's a simple bit of code, but that's how you change the color of your text in game. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.